Hey guys, welcome to MISFIT Mojo. I have an easy yoga flow for you today that will focus on just the fundamentals of yoga. Now, this is perfect for anyone that's just starting out in yoga or anyone that's a beginner. It's a great class to learn some fundamentals and also a gateway to getting into the style of fast paced flow classes without immediate intensity or intimidation. Alright guys, let's start the class today by standing nice and tall in Tadasana. From there moving gently into Samkonasana. Let's transition to Halasana, making sure there is no extra pressure on your neck. Let's move to Karnpirasana. From there to Adho Mukha Svanasana, Dhanurasana. Very nice. And finally giving your body that much needed relaxation and stretch with Tiryak Tadasana, performed on both the left and the right side. When you own your breath, nobody can steal your peace. The ultimate search for a quiet mind. Yoga. If you enjoy this easy flow, feel free to check out some of my other beginner easy flow classes to help you get into that super relaxed and calm state of mind. See you next time.